e and a sounds. Review. Remember that for the a, the jaw is more open and the tongue is down at the floor of your mouth. And for the e sound, the jaw is just slightly down. Sentence pair. Don't think about the past.
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 He gave me a letter.
He gave me a ladder.
He gave me a letter.
He gave me a ladder.
Send it carefully.
Sand it carefully.
Send it carefully.
Sand it carefully.
The men helped me.
The man helped me.
The men helped me.
The man helped me.
I need a new pen.
I need a new pan.
I need a new pen.
I need a new pan.
Do you need to beg?
Do you need a bag?
Do you need to beg?
Do you need a bag?
Word pairs in sentences. This bed is bad. This bed is bad.
Dan is in the den. Dan is in the den.
She said that she was sad. She said that she was sad.
I guess I need gas. I guess I need gas.
They laughed after he left. They laughed after he left.
I bet that's a bat. I bet that's a bat.
Sentences for practice.
Every member of my family is left-handed. Every member of my family is left-handed.
My best friend Frank is a successful dentist. My best friend Frank is a successful dentist.
Kenny's bad headache lasted several days. Kenny's bad headache lasted several days.
Glenn drank 10 glasses of fresh lemonade. Glenn drank 10 glasses of fresh lemonade.
Everyone was happy that he was elected president. Everyone was happy that he was elected president.
Don't forget to thank Dan for his generous present. Don't forget to thank Dan for his generous present.
A trip to France. Next January, I'm planning to visit my friends in France. Last time I went there, I was only 10 or 11. I would love to go back again. I'm taking a class called French for Travelers. We're memorizing vocabulary and learning the present and past tenses. I want my French to get better, and I'm practicing every chance I get. I watched a French film, and I felt so bad because I didn't understand a word they said. I guess I'll have to make an extra effort. I want to learn the language and have a better accent so that people can understand me when I'm asking for directions and ordering in restaurants.